Okay, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, anywhere you are watching from. This is your boy Forex Strategy Factory. Another broadcast of the topic that says, how do you buy and sell in the Forex market at the same time? This is what we are going to show you right here. So, if you know you are the one, you have not subscribed to this channel. So everything I'm gonna tell you is try to subscribe to this channel right now, because this is the type of video you will be seeing me doing. Okay, so I will run through the video. Okay, if you're gonna use this type of strategy, you're gonna be on the 5 minutes time frame, because it's very fast. You know, it's for scalping and it's for intraday. You understand what I mean? So all we want to do is, you want to be able to capture your profit as fast as possible, and you can trade as many times of the day as possible. So what you will see me do now is, the logic is to wake up and you open a 5-minute chart on any pair, and you don't even need any analysis to analyze it. I've seen this thing, it has gone up throughout a period. It has gone up, and what I want to do now is, I think it's going to be coming down, and what I'm going to do right here is, if I'm going to take it, I'm going to put a pending order right below the down. I'll say properties, all the entries. Let's say I put a pending order, below the neckline down, which is a sell stop, or whatever it is. It's just a pending sell stop. Okay, now, and then I'm going to do the same at the top, say, just in case it goes up. Okay, I put a pending buy at the top of the Bollinger Band, a pending sell at the low of the Bollinger Band, a pending buy at the top of the Bollinger Band. You don't need any analysis for this thing. Okay, and then all you need to do when it comes to your take profit, okay, you can just guess a take profit of 10 pips from the low. This is the only thing I think I can tell you to take, because when you look at 5-minute time frame, any breakout can only go like at least 20 pips, but the fastest take profit you can take is 10 pips. Okay, so what you want to stick with is taking 10 pips out of this 5-minute time frame. You see that the sell I penned below the Bollinger Band, I put a take profit of 10 pips. Okay, we are scalping here, we are buying and selling the same time. And if I'm going to put a take profit for this one that I penned a buy stop, or whatever the buy is, I will still go and put a take profit of 10 pips above it. Okay, so if you wake up and you see something like this, that the Bollinger Band or the price has rallied up to the upside, okay, now everything you have to think about is, this 5 minutes is going to come down. Then you talk about pending your own order below the Bollinger Band, sell stop, or whatever the sell is, I don't know. Pend it, take profit 10 pips, and you pen buy stop above, or whatever the buy pending order is, above the Bollinger Band, and you put a 10 pips above it for take profit. This is what it is when you want to apply a strategy of buy and sell the same time. Okay, this topic is Forex, buy and sell the same time, and this is going to be a video part 3 of that topic. Okay, so if you are the one that you are new in Forex, but you are looking for a good channel to be watching or getting yourself educated about Forex, okay, I can tell you, okay, with what you're seeing on the chart playing right now, you can see it properly that yes, we know what we're doing here and we are doing the right thing. Okay, and this is the channel you want to give your subscription, like you want to press the red subscribe button, and then you put push the notification bell to all, so that whenever we make this type of video, okay, you can be the first to be notified by YouTube. Now, this is not the only type of video I do. Okay, I do this type of video to educate you, for you to be able to learn and, you know, take your own forex skill to another upper level or higher level. Okay, but I do some video that I give signals sometimes. Okay, I give signals sometimes, and sometimes I introduce you to different kind of tools that can help you, and which these tools are the one I have tried and I have used, and I know what those tools do and how they work. So I know how I talk about them. So if you see me talking about any tools on these channels and you feel like, okay, you want to try it, you know, feel free, get the confidence, pick anyone up and try it, because we know what we are doing on this channel. So, I don't know if any of you will definitely have any question, okay? Because I know most of you, you will definitely want to have a question to ask me about, I don't know, maybe, can you use this type of strategy on any time frames? Yes, you can use it on any time frames, okay? But the entries will always be the same pattern, okay? The entry, okay, the strategy will be the same pattern, but the take profit now is going to depend on which time frame are you using it on. Okay, are you on the 1 hour time frame? You know that the 1 hour time frame, any breakout, you know, it will follow the daily, and you can get at least 100 pips. Okay, maybe with 2 candlesticks, sometimes with 1 candlestick. So definitely the target on any 1 hour time frame on using this strategy is going to be 50 pips. Okay, 40 to 50 pips is what you target. Okay, and if you're using this strategy on a 4 hour time frame, you know, a breakout candle, 1 or 2 candle can go 200 pips. Well, the only thing you can target on a kind of 4 hour time frame is you target like 80 pips or 100 pips. And if you go into a daily time frame, you know, where 1 candlestick is going to break out and that's 100 pips, you know, at least for 1 candle pips to break out and give you 100 pips, then you should target 100 pips when it comes to a daily time frame. Okay, so that is exactly the way it is. So the reason why I make this video so long and I keep it open for you to see is that you should see what is playing on this video that I've made, that you can see that this strategy really works. Okay, a lot of people might want to ask me if this type of strategy work on the 1 minute time frame. Okay, good. You see, because the 1 minute time frame is very fast and it fluctuates, you know, and sometimes it's always based on the spread your broker is going to give you. So I said, okay, it depends on how fast you are, because the 1 minute time frame is fast. It really works on the 1 minute time frame, but then your broker, you know, might be able to manipulate you with spread. So I recommend, if you are going to be using this strategy, which is called buying and selling in the forex market at the same time, you know, you should be on the 5 minute time frame for this type of strategy to work and get your own profit. So with no further ado, you're going to see some kind of things on this channel what's it called, description. Okay, this video, there's a description under this video. You need to check it out. Okay, one, I may put the link of, you know, any of my landing pages, okay, that I request you to put your email inside, because inside those landing pages too, I broadcast. Okay, anybody who miss my video or my content through YouTube, you can get it through that email. Okay, everything I got to talk about with Forex, you get it through that email. So I recommend you put your email address inside that box. Okay, I call it how to, make six-figure income online, doing any kind of business, maybe Forex or whatever. Just put your email inside, okay? And if you are interested to take your own business beyond Forex, okay, that you want to copy what content creator online, what they have done, you want to take it far beyond Forex, okay, you can then follow the email that are sent to you, or maybe on a weekly basis. They are just all kind of email talking about Forex, the kind of tool you are going to use in taking your own business to the next level, doing your own YouTube. Maybe you are the one, you do YouTube, but you don't know how to get subscribers and views, free or on automation. You don't know how to do that. I think the description link is good for you. The description link of this video, put your email. You want to know how to do some kind of things like auto DS and eBay. That is called, what they call it, e-commerce, Okay, or you want to be the one who would like to, share your own link to people. You have a business, you want people to know about your business. Sharing your link has become something so difficult and terrible, most especially sharing on Facebook, This description link is good for you. We have solution to all these things I've talked about. But if Forex is the only thing you want to do, then good luck. So definitely, as I'm talking, you can see in front of you right here that this strategy really works, because you can see that the next candlesticks will take us to hit our take profit on the green line. You can see that this strategy works, okay? And that should show you we know what we're doing on this channel. Now, this is called buy and sell the same time, okay? 5-minute time frame, few minutes of the day you hit, if you know the type of lot size you are using and your account balance, maybe you've hit your first couple of $100 and maybe you've gone to relax somewhere, you've gone to relax somewhere. This is how to make money in Forex and make money fast. So I'm gonna say I have to shut this down right now. Thank you. Take care.